In today's video, how to export Trello board to PDF. You can follow a couple of methods. First, open your Trello account by logging in with your credentials. Select board you want to export, and then click on three dots menu icon located at the top right corner of Trello board, and choose More, and then Print and Export. Print dialog box will appear. From here, select Save as PDF instead of Physical Printer. Customize any settings you need, such as layout and page orientation, and then click on Save. Save PDF file to a preferred location on computer. This method converts whole board into PDF that you can easily share or activate. In Trello, click on Power Ups button at the top of screen and search for Power Up like Board Export or other tools that allows you to export board. Once installed, you can use Power Up to export board, or you can also print board using Print and Export option and save it as PDF. Open Canva, upload save PDF to Canva, where you can further customize design and structure of PDF. Once done, you can export it again from Canva in your preferred format.